Okay, next, let's give the mic to our colleague Jay. Hi Jay.
Hello Georgia and everyone, this is Jane. Now I am in the chain meter manufacturing workshop. To ensure that the orders are not affected, the production capacity here has returned to normal with a total amount of 63,000 pieces per day. That is including 26,000 pieces of electricity meters, 15,000 pieces of gas meters, and 22,000 pieces per day of analog meters. In the first quarter, there are about 1,093,000 pieces of electricity meters, 493,000 pieces of gas meters, 630,000 pieces of analog meters were delivered.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy the journey. See you next time.